What is up, guys? Welcome back to Madden Mobile. Today we are opening up Easter eggs for the 2018 Madden Mobile Easter event. So I think I collected 49 eggs. So I did something right. So yeah, there's a chance this video is going to be quick than last time when I opened up the gifts. What do we go to? Yeah, yep, 49. Yep. Just like that, so might as well just say reveal all. Let's open these up. Start off with the gold hatch pack. I swear, if it starts me off with the loading screen again, I don't know what to say because EA sucks. Can I? Oh my god, they always say, hey, yeah, your next entry? First off, the golden egg. Chocolate bunnies. Well, it makes sense because the chocolate bunnies card is yellow. Yep. That's actually not that bad. I actually think this is good. Okay. First 5 cards. Yep, same thing. So I should be able to get I think I can get maybe at least 2 or 3 90 overalls, which is actually a good thing because I don't gotta work off for it. Yep. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty much going to be like that. They keep getting chocolate bunnies, and then yep, I'm gonna project 3. I'm gonna say 3 90 overall players. 3. I mean, it would somewhat make sense, right? There you go, first 90 overall player. Yeah. There you go. 75 more to go. And it's still going. And yeah, I got a lot of golden eggs. Bro, is this in all the golden eggs? Hey, is this in all of them? I did collect some elites, only like 5 elite eggs. So I hope I get some man cash. It better not be 100 man cash. Cause why would you put that in an Easter egg? That's just no, cause you could just do that in the that one set with the man cash. In like one of your daily sets. So no point in doing that. I'm not gonna open that yet. Cause I'm going to get more, so it's guaranteed I'm going to get more. Okay, good. Open every one of these except the player. See, I don't know why it says gold egg hatch. I don't know why it says that. Okay, here are the elites. Wait, are we going with the elites first? No, we're going with golds. I was about to say, I don't want to open up the elites yet. I want to save that for last, because best for last, right? Now, I didn't collect the crystal eggs, so I probably gonna get crystal shards. The eggs like okay, 8,000 coins. 8,000 coins. Okay, maybe we got off with the chocolate bunnies. So that was like the first 15. So 18. There we go. 10,000 coins. Okay. Honestly, I don't think coins is that bad. I actually think that's really good. I mean, you can get a lot of coins in this promo, so I honestly don't mind. What I am mad about is that this load screen keeps appearing. I don't get that. Here's what I don't get. Why is it that when I record, there's like load screens? I don't get that. How does that affect this game? But when I record other games, it doesn't do that. EA does not. I hate when EA does not like you at all. EA needs to stop doing that because that's just no. EA, can you stop? Okay, so I'm going to project that there are going to be, in terms of loan screens, there's going to be 3 more loan screens. If that happens, sounds right, and that means that EA really sucks and they don't know what they're doing. And a quick sell. Okay, so far we know that in these golden eggs there's chocolate bunnies and quick sells because they're both yellow. Chocolate bunnies. Card, of course that was yellow. Quick sells yellow. So I think that's all that's in it because I honestly don't know what else would be in it. Yep. Keep giving them quick sells to me because I could really use those coins. 13,000. What if I manage to pull the mill? Like, if I somehow pull the mill, that'd be so great if I pulled the mill. If I got multiple mills, then I don't know what to do with my coins then. I mean, I would maybe spend them, but I think I'm just gonna lose them faster. There we go, man cash. There's 100, but at least I know there's man cash in this. So there better be more. Yeah. Oh come on! Why is there 100? You know, give me 200, 300, 400. Give me 500. So far, only 300 man cash used. Well, 300 man cash gave it to me. 2 tournament tickets. That'd be great if I was actually able to do the tournament, which I can't because EA hates me. There's 3 hero badges. I mean, their promo's gone, but you can still apparently get the badges. And more tournament tickets. More hero badges. So now I get another issue. Yeah, another issue with this game. 4 EA. 4. Next season, if there's way more, I'm gonna stop playing this game because this game needs to stop with loading screens. That's like their favorite thing. I'm pretty sure there's probably loading screens in Man 18. If there isn't, well, it doesn't matter. The game's still not good. There's still lag. This game has lag. I don't know why it lags. Man 18 lags. I don't know why. Come on now. Come on, EA. EA needs to fix this. Why are they just ruining young fans? Like, I swear they really like doing that. They really like hurting young fans. They really do. They really don't care about you. I mean, come on. They talking about, oh, we care about you. You clearly don't. Clearly don't. Clearly don't. You're too damn dumb. More tournament tickets. Honestly, I don't even know if I need this much. This much. One, I can't even play the tournament this week because it won't let me. Because apparently Draft Champions is canceled for me. Everyone else gets to do it, but I don't. That's just a middle finger. See why EA keep doing things like this? Man, I hate EA so much. I used to like them as a kid because when I was a kid, I used to play these Madden games on console. I was like, oh, this is a really good game. I really like playing this a lot. And whoever made the game, which of course was EA, I would like them. But then you get these new games that came out, and you got this appearing. This is going to be a long video because of these stupid loading screens. My gosh. I would not recommend this game if you truly hate loading screens. I would hate loading screens. Oh my god. I would definitely not recommend this game at times because this game has too many loading screens. I can't even open these eggs because it's not letting me. Because EA like, nope, 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 you ain't getting these. Just let me open the eggs. I'm just opening eggs. Not doing the live event. Movers luggage. What is this? What could be in where could this luggage be headed? Where could it be headed? Maybe Minnesota? New York? Perhaps Houston? Okay, so this must be a new event. It must be a new event because my first time ever getting this. I get it again. Of course, there's All-Madden badges. It has to be All-Madden badges. Okay, moving forward. All-Madden badges again. Why is 2 the minimum? Could at least been 5. Maybe 10. More All-Madden badges. Oh my god. Someone please save this game. Here we are, the Elite Eggs. Please get something good. Wow. This is what we get. We get this. Okay, let's try again. The same thing. I swear, in all 5 of these, if it's just these, then screw EA. Oh, come on, all Madden badges. All Madden badges. All Madden. Well, I got an all Madden player. Really? Let me guess. All Madden badges. That was. That was just no. No. That's just. Come on, EA. What we getting anyway? Okay, actually, I like that. Gamer. Oh my gosh, I can't